guys, give us a severe weather warning right now. This is right now.
Very, very.
It's been pretty active. Look at this. So severe storms is creating possibility of flood.
I tell you, I got into it with my brother about that one day. Oh, Carolyn was his first wife.
But this is currently what we have.
And he saw it. I put him against the wall, putting me through the wall. I said, you don't touch your fucking wall. Well, she hit me like a man. I said, don't make no difference.
This is currently 21. And I go with my
From what I remember about the story was the two of them were getting high. He went to bed. Her and his friend continued to get high. He woke up and found them together.
She don't deserve it. It's wrong. Rachel's touchy everything.
Anyway, this is what we currently have. And I do have the severe weather alert. Currently, this is what it looks like. Don't worry about it. Yesterday was a big one. And yes, so look at this. Actually, just going to someone. Look at this.
You ever see the baseball field, Trevor?
No.
Right here.
Okay.
This is where they do the fireworks.
One year I came down here by myself.
There's only a tribe there. It's endangered. Anyway, and this. Okay, guys, so things can't get any worse. After we just had noticed that from the Weather Channel, as this tweet came in, as this tweet came in last time, there's a big threat coming on towards this weekend. So the threat will be really big, and we know. And we don't know what we're going to do about this. But this is the situation for the mom. This is today's. Now, I'm going to turn the weather channel right now. Oh, fuck. Anyway, I gotta turn the TV on. So clearly, there's a big threat coming in. Tornado threat. This is confirmed by the Weather Channel. And there's a 7 for Torfon. 7 in that area, 5 in the area, and a large percentage. Well, let's look at this. There is currently a 15% chance of a tornado spawning in these cities. 10% chance of spawning in them. And you have to be aware. I'm going to be live streaming this all day. So this could be a big threat. So we are literally watching this tonight. So this could be a tornado outbreak. I'll be live streaming this somewhere at 10. And this live stream will be going on for several hours. I'll leave my phone on charge. Anyway, that's the update. I'll give you guys more updates later today. Bye. What's up, guys? It's Sketch Ruby here today. Quick update. Oh, I made this again. Quick update. New tornadoes are coming in. And this is possibly that we are just a week away, and we're 1 day away from it. A week is since the last outbreak, it was 1 day and 1 week and 1 day. So let's take a look at this. So it looks like the modern includes a lot of areas. I'll update you guys if it gets worse. It infects a lot of areas. Possibly the area that got hit last year. You know what I'm talking about. Also, it's almost the 1 year anniversary since it got hit. Oh, a new tornado warning has been issued. This one includes about 21 million people. Now includes in 2020. Let's take a look at the tornado risk. Oh wow, 15%. So this one includes 80%, 3.8 million, 17 million, and 21 million. This one includes 9.5, 23 million, 20. $5.3 million, 8.1, and 15 million. Now, here's what I'm working on right now. I am currently, you guys can see that. I am currently working on this for the upcoming event that's coming out today. Be aware. Anyway, I think this is the end of the video. Goodbye. Hey everyone. It's Ruby here again. Update. For some reason there's a high risk. And it's been taken serious. Now, so which one is 30%, 15, 10, 5, and 2. Winds 45, 3, 15, and 5. And here is 30, 15, still 5. Now let's set over to 12. And that's set over to 8. It's very clear. That's what it is. These two words have been in the case of this. So currently, tornado remaining is 42 minutes ago. It's a 10. Do you actually know this update? Goodbye.
damage all along the way. You can see the power flashes that are occurring here. Thousands of people still without power with all of this damage across the area. Now, we also have some video of Alabama. So there you can clearly see that funnel. Look very closely. You can see little pieces of debris that are getting wafted, especially if you look kind of in that area between the base of the cloud and into the tree canopy there, right in between in that bright spot. Every now and then you can see some of that debris getting lofted and lifted with that. That's how we know that this is a tornado, because we can't see it touching the ground, can we? And that's part of what makes it so dangerous here across parts of. Also, it looks like we've got some debris that's getting wafted with this as well. So that is a fairly strong tornado that lasted for quite some time, causing some extensive damage. Now, in Birmingham right now, we find our meteorologist, Paul Goodlow. He's joining us live right now. And floor pretty much taken out. And in this picture, boy, that looks like the entire home has basically just collapsed there. There you can see insulation coming out with an open roof, shingles taken off that roof there as well. And pieces of debris all within the trees. And here's another home very nearby, and look at this one. This one has a little bit of roof damage, but nothing compared to some of the other ones. And a tree here in the foreground that looks like it was just cut off almost at the base. This one looks like it's uprooted and toppled over here, and there you can see one that's crossing the road. So we're continuing to get new information by the minute, really, of the damage and the situation. Still uncertain in terms of any injuries or fatalities, but we'll continue to look for that.
On 6:24 for you tonight, but this has been the tornado. What's been a little bit different about this tornado? Thank goodness. We'll time it out for you, and I'll move the timer tracker for you here. It's weaker, but you still need to take it seriously. Could briefly cycle. Childersburg, 6:11, so it's there at this point. In Winterboro, around 6:22. Let me actually move that tracker just a little bit for you, give you better timing here. Childersburg, 6:13, so you got about 2 minutes. Winterboro around 6:24 for you tonight. But